Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on an Infiniti QX56. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then navigate the display to the oil life screen and press the reset button until it blinks. Hold the button briefly and release when the display shows 100%. I'll walk you through checks, common hiccups, and tips to make sure the system accepts the reset cleanly. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the vehicle in park and the parking brake set. Turn the key to the on position or press IGN without starting the engine, then use the trip or reset button to reach the oil life display. When the oil life percentage appears, press and hold the reset button until the readout changes to 100%, then release and verify the change has saved. If the display doesn't reset, try turning the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and repeat the process with a firmer press and hold. Some QX56 trims have the button in a slightly different spot, so check the owner manual if needed. If the oil light or other warnings persist, perform a quick diagnostic scan for maintenance codes or consult a technician to ensure the reset wasn't blocked by unresolved issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.